In this video, we are going to go over the programming functions for an ITW Dynamini. The programming options on the Dynamini are similar to other ITW melters such as the Dynapack and Challenger C22. We will access the programming menu by pressing the service icon. Standby will be the first option. It will display as S0 if it's inactive and S1 if it's active. Standby is a temperature offset that lowers all heat zones whenever standby mode is enabled. For example, if each zone is normally set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and you assign a 75 degrees Fahrenheit standby value, then all zones will drop to 275 degrees Fahrenheit while in standby. To activate the standby function, press the tank key. Wait a few seconds. When programming is complete and the system is in standby, the 7-segment display will alternate between the actual temperature and S1. Once back in the Functions menu, we will press the service key to move to the tolerance function. It will display as T1. The tolerance set point defines an acceptable temperature range above and below the zone's programmed temperature. The lower limit indicates the minimum ready temperature the ASU can operate at, while the upper limit marks the point at which an over-temperature alarm will be triggered. To adjust the tolerance, we will press the tank key and use the up or down keys to set the desired tolerance. In this case, the tolerance has been set to 20 degrees. This means that if the zones are set to 350 degrees, given a delay time of 0, the melter will be ready at 330 and give an over-temperature alarm at 370 degrees. We will go back to the Functions menu and go past T1. The next function will be Sequential Startup. It will display as SS1 if it's active and SS0 if inactive. The Sequential Startup feature controls the order in which the temperature zones turn on during startup. When Sequential Startup is set to SS1, the tank will heat first. Once the tank is ready, the remaining zones will then begin heating. When set to SS0, Sequential Startup is disabled and all zones will begin heating at the same time. To activate it, press the tank icon. Next is the temperature scale. Press the tank icon to toggle between Celsius and Fahrenheit. The next function will be Ready Delay. It will display as D1. To adjust the Ready Delay function, press the tank key and use the up or down key to make a selection. We have selected a ready delay time of 15 minutes. This means that when the system is ready, the system ready output signal will be delayed by 15 minutes. The last function will be the access code function. It will display as C1. We will press the tank icon to make changes to the access code function. If there is no access code programmed, the display will show 3 dashes. In this case, the access code is 205. To change the access code, we can use the up or down keys to make a selection. The service function loop can be found in the machine manual.